Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets in electronics. Today, we have a unique and stylish product to talk about, the Aresrora Retro Bluetooth Speaker in classic black. We'll delve into its design, features, sound quality, and much more. So, let's get started. The Aresrora Retro Bluetooth Speaker is not just a speaker. It's a piece of art. Its vintage design and mini size make it absolutely adorable. With dimensions of just 3.3 L by 4.3 W x 2H, it's perfect for any room, kitchen, desk, bedroom, or office. The retro turn knob adds a classic touch and allows you to adjust the volume levels as per your preference. This speaker is equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, ensuring efficient and stable wireless transmission, compatible with Android and iOS devices. It supports TWS pairing, providing a true stereo sound experience that's surprisingly loud for its size. In addition to Bluetooth, it also supports TF card, USB disc, and 3.5mm cable input modes, offering versatility in connectivity. The Aresrora Retro Bluetooth speaker boasts a long battery life of 4 to 5 hours, making it perfect for extended listening sessions. Its specially designed vintage appearance with a smooth paint surface evokes a sense of nostalgia, making you feel like you're in the good old days while enjoying your music. Despite its vintage look, this speaker is highly portable. You can take it from a party to the park or even on a high mountain adventure. Its ultra-compact design allows it to fit in your pocket. And the handy strap makes it easy to attach to your backpack or shower room. It's not just a speaker, it's also a stylish decor piece for your home or office. With its stylish design and retro color options, the Aresrora Retro Bluetooth speaker makes for a perfect gift for friends and family on various occasions. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just a token of appreciation, this speaker will delight anyone who loves music and appreciates a touch of vintage elegance. The Aresrora Retro Bluetooth speaker is more than just a speaker. It's a statement piece that combines vintage aesthetics with modern technology. Its compact size, impressive sound quality, and unique design make it a standout product in the world of Bluetooth speakers. If you're looking for a portable speaker that adds a touch of retro charm to your life, the Aresrora Retro Bluetooth speaker is a fantastic choice. That wraps up our review of the Aresrora Retro Bluetooth speaker. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of exciting products like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.